Hey! Obviously you're back with another Good Night Snack on Good Night Cat with the lovely Lisa Johnson from Zinc Nutrition.
Hello.
So Good Night Snack is good food before you say goodnight. So what do we have tonight?
We have apple rounds 2 ways. So step 1 is definitely the way you slice the apple. You're going for these fun little rounds. I know it seems like a very simple thing, but the first time I did this, I was like, cool. And it was fun and different. And so the first
Is a savory.
we're going for a savory. What I've done here is just mashed up an avocado in the skin, and then you just slice it on the round, or spread it on the round rather. I'm done slicing.
Slicing and dicing.
So a little pinch of sea salt, and there you go.
Okay, cool. Let me see.
It's a great anytime snack, really. Kids love this snack. It's a great pre-workout snack. You have your complex carbohydrates in the apple, and then the healthy fat in the avocado. It is like slow burning energy right there.
And it's sweet. I mean, it is sweet.
Yeah.
And the salt is really good too.
All right, the next one is sweeter. So you start with almond butter, or any type of nut butter, really. Yeah.
You said nut butter.
And then
Wait, so peanut butter?
peanut butter is actually not a nut.
Get out!
Yeah.
Wait, peanuts aren't nuts?
Peanuts aren't nuts.
Jimmy Carter, what is it?
It's a legume, which is a common intestinal, aggravator.
Really?
So this one has a nut butter and unsweetened coconut shavings and cacao nibs, which are actually cocoa beans.
This looks great. Ta-da! I love that.
Kids love this one. You can get them involved and have like a little, topping station, and they get their little paws grubby. They love it.
Little paws cards. I'll tell you what, if you guys let us know on Facebook if you like another topping, Lisa, you can help moderate that and see if that's passing the zinc test or not passing
Sure,
the zinc test. Right?
absolutely.
Okay. This has been Good Night Snack on Good Night Cap on the Daily Canary. Thanks, Lisa.
Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, good night.